Hello, we are coming to you from Cotting Consulting. We have some great tech tips to assist teachers, parents, and service providers. Today we're going to look at how to access voice typing inside of Google Docs, and specifically the Chrome web browser, plus some of the reasons why you should be using it for some of your emerging writers. Let's take a look at how you'll access voice typing inside of Google Docs. So what's important is that you remember to use only Google's Chrome web browser. So this won't work inside of Safari or Firefox Chrome. It's only within Google's network of Chrome web browser. So inside of your Google document, you've launched your new document. You're going to go up to Tools and then scroll down to Voice Typing. This will bring up a separate little sidebar and allows you to click to speak. Next, we're just going to try it out. Period. Pretty neat stuff. Let's take a look a little bit closer at some of the punctuation commands you can use while accessing voice typing. The boy plays at the park. Period. Delete. Comma. Delete. Exclamation point. Delete. Question mark? New line. Here's an example of a short paragraph that a student created, which really allows the student to focus on the content rather than the spelling or even editing and punctuation. Editing can certainly be done after the paragraph is initially drafted. So I'm sure that you can tell there are so many uses for the voice typing features within Google Docs. With a lot of emerging writers or struggling writers who just can't seem to get the content typed out or written out, this is such a powerful tool. We also want to consider voice typing not only for our emerging writers, but for students with visual and fine motor challenges, and maybe students with stronger verbal skills. What's important is that you have the prerequisites of articulation, volume, and overall pacing. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment below, and if you have any questions about Cotting Consulting Services, you can reach us at cotting.org.